This is my project, and I made it using Unity. My idea was like a color dropper, so like it's fun to look at. And then I used translate position, and I also used rigid body to help the camera follow this object, which has a rigid body component. And then examples of my code are like setting the game object player and then also transforming to the player's position. So here's a live demonstration. It's still load for a while.
Yeah, that's fine. Let's just wait.
So it just drops. And then at the end, there's a wall. And then I like the materials I used because it's like shiny, which was my favorite part of working on it. I could improve this project by adding like more dropper levels and maybe also like moving the ball around to drop in the right spot. Thank you.